Hi, this is Parisarnaut from Sentinel, and I'm starting a series of short videos on practical challenges currently companies are facing when it comes to fulfilling privacy obligations and how to effectively overcome those. If privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA apply to your business, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So today's focus area is data deletion challenges companies come across along with managing their customer expectations based on what they disclose on their deletion and retention practices in their user privacy notice. From privacy law's standpoint, this requirement is pretty straightforward. The personal data belongs to the user, so you must delete upon user's request. And even when a user has not requested for deletion, you can only keep the data for as long as it is required for the purpose it was collected for, in line with your user privacy notice or for legal reasons only. In our consulting practice, working with various clients, we often see this as an area of conflict where business wants to retain as much data as possible and for as long as possible. However, the privacy laws do prohibit from doing so. But not to forget, privacy laws do provide some breather for retention of data by means of certain legitimate exemptions. For example, if you need the data for performance of a contract, like completing a transaction or service requested by a consumer, or meeting any of the legal obligations like tax obligations, data you need for litigation, for fraud prevention, along with any other reasons where business can justify why does it absolutely need to retain the data. Also, when you are retaining the data under such exemptions, the business does need to ensure that the data is used only for the agreed purpose, logged in private views, that is, it is accessible only to specific teams and teammates, and most importantly, the data is deleted once these granted exemptions expire. Remember, you cannot retain the data forever, so these exemptions are only granted for justified duration. Also, when it comes to the deletion implementation, no matter what method you use for it, it really boils down to the state where the data could no longer be re-identified. So honestly, it would take more than just going by the word on that the data is deleted. You'll really need to dig in deeper on how the teams are implementing deletion. Interestingly, oftentimes we completely forget about the business insights and benefits that can be generated from the aggregated personal information that is completely anonymized or aggregated and is no longer considered to be personal data and therefore no longer in scope for privacy laws, which again could help business achieve goals without relying on personal data in an identifiable state. If your organization is facing deletion challenges and seek help to meet legal obligations while achieving the business goals and customer expectations, our team would be more than happy to help you. Please feel free to ping me or Sentinel team to learn more. Thank you.